Hello guys, it's your boy Eric Ande, and today I'll be introducing this machine to you guys. This is a and sandpaper machine, and I can tell you this machine is very useful. I recommend this machine for anyone who wants a machine that will do you a DIY job, a job whereby you'll be able to smoothen all the edges of your soul yourself. And this machine, I'm just showing you the process of how I fix this machine. And what I just did is to just cut the sandpaper, and it's very easy to fix and very handy. So just make sure that you set it very well. There are some holes that are there. You perforate those holes, and those holes will what we allow all the old smoothing particles that you smooth to get out easily. And also, this has always done a very good job for me. And I so much love this machine because it helps me, and it's very, a matter of fact, it's very handy. It's very handy. Unlike me just going to the filing machine and just trying to adjust my machine. But with this machine, I'm able to hold it very well. Can you see the way I'm holding? That's the on button there. That's the on button there. So what I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to show you what I use it for and how I use it. So I'm going to plug it. After plugging it, this is what I use it for. And you see, use it to smoothing all the edge of my machine. Now, definitely, you know that while doing that, you can decide to tape all the edges of your shoe to avoid it touching the edges. I'm just showing you what I use this machine particularly for. So if you're interested in getting this machine, kindly send me a message, maybe through the comments or a DM, to ask for this machine. This machine is just 35,000 naira only, 35,000 naira only, and it's very good, and I recommend it for anyone who is into leatherworks and shoemaking. All right, thank you guys, and I'll see you guys later.